everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video is my morning routine. So I'm still sleeping. I slept until about 7 a.m. usually, and then when I wake up I would play with my phone for a while, and then usually I would go back to sleep again. And then I would actually just wake up like for real at 8 or 9 a.m. Okay, and then the first thing that I did after I wake up for real is to check the items, see if there's any items for me or there's food delivery as well. And then after that, straight to brushing my teeth, because the weird thing about me is that in the morning I have to brush my teeth, then only I can talk, because if I'm talking without brushing my teeth, like, that's just really a bad feeling. It's very uncomfortable, so I like to just really brush my teeth early in the morning. Okay, now I'm basically done. So I went to the toilet for a while just to pee, and then after that I would wash the dishes. I usually like boil some tea, so I really need the what is it called, kettle, the jar or whatever it is. So yeah, I would just wash the jar and then my cup, because I wanted to make some tea again. So after I'm done washing the dishes, I would take out the trash and then change to the new plastic, so that, you know, it's fresh and new. Okay, in the morning I like to drink a lot of water first, so I just take my trusty tumbler and drink a lot of water. And then after that I would just make some tea. Actually these days I'm just trying to finish the tea leaves that I have. So this is a green tea. I actually need to wait some time until the temperature is like 80 degrees, but I just use hot boiling water anyway. Okay, so after I'm done boiling the tea, cooking the tea, I would pour it out into my trusty Coca-Cola tumbler. I always use this thing because it has a big capacity. And then the next step is to actually take a shower. I know I'm not going anywhere, but I just wanted to take a shower to revive my energy, if that makes sense. Right after shower, I would go to my skincare routine, and before I do my skincare, I would just, you know, keep the hair all away from the face using my towel. And then the first step is to use the toner. I'm trying to finish this The Ordinary exfoliating toner, so that's why I kind of use it even in the morning too. The way I like to use my toner is to tap them instead of dragging them on my skin. Alright, and then the first serum that I use is called Kiss Serum, and this serum is like very liquidy and has a very thin consistency, so I like to start off with this serum. And the way I would apply it is by tapping it and slightly dragging a little bit, just not too much. And then the next serum that I use is my caffeine eye serum. Don't worry guys, in here I actually close my eyes and then I place the dropper right underneath my eye, so it's just one drop for both of the eyes. And obviously I like to apply it by tapping it on my skin instead of dragging them. Okay, and then the last step is the facial cream. So I use my trusty Muji herbal, I think it's called the herbal or organic facial cream. I don't really remember, but I have been using this since like last year or something, and it has been really really good. So yeah, I think I did make a video review of that. So anyway, I take like several pieces and then scatter them all throughout my face. For this cream, because my face is like really wet and moisturized, I can drag it a little bit, just do it gently instead of like scrubbing it. So yeah, this is my skincare routine in the morning. Okay, after skincare routine and everything is done, I put on my lip balm, and after that I'm ready to work or do anything else. So yeah, this has been my morning routine. This is real. I'm not faking this or anything like that. This is really how it is in the morning with me. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.